मैंने सुना है कि जो औरतें अपनी गोद में बिल्ली बैठाती है उनके बच्चे नहीं होते। बहुत सारे मूवीज है जो डैड को कवर करते हैं, बट मॉम्स को लेके कोई मूवी क्यों नहीं?
Sleep for dogs is extremely important.
I had my cats, those are my first baby.
Shelters keep crying, adopt, right? But they don't allow you to adopt if you don't have NOC. When we brought Pluto, I have no clue. All my knuckles tearing, bleeding, turning black.
Cats are really easy to transport anywhere.
I mean,
So
people
cute.
behave
True.
like they've never seen a dog.
I don't know why, but that comfort of pet traveling is not there out of country.
In the medical world, anesthesia is what sometimes is more fatal than the surgery itself. Never heard a dog scream and bang the cage like a monkey. This dog needs only a villa.
They need a discipline.
Hello, let's off leash. This is कस्तूरी और ये पॉडकास्ट हिंदी में भी होने वाली है। हम हमेशा पेट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, एनिमल के बारे में बात करते हैं। तो आज हमने इस पॉडकास्ट को जो आप अभी देखने वाले हो, मॉम्स के बारे में भी बात की है। मैंने काफ़ी सारा मूवीज देखे हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सारे मूवीज है जो डैड को कवर करते हैं, लाइक पर्पस ऑफ डॉग, मार्ले एंड मी। कैट्स भी है जो लाइक हावर्ड्स रिटर्न, कैट्स नेम बॉब। बट मॉम्स को लेके कोई मूवी क्यों नहीं है? क्या आपने सोचा ये चीज? सोचना, और मुझे आप लोगों ने कोई मूवीज देखा है मॉम्स को लेके तो पक्का से कमेंट में बताना नीचे। अभी जो एपिसोड हमने कंप्लीट करा है, इट्स एन ऑसम एपिसोड जहां हमने एंटरटेनमेंट, वेलनेस, हेल्थ, सोशल स्टीरियो, मिथबास्टर्स, इमोशनल कनेक्ट, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हर चीज कवर किया है, जो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं सबको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशंस और हेल्प दे की जाएगी। आप लोगों को लगता है और भी कुछ हम कवर कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज कमेंट में बताना। हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज है लेट्स ऑफ लीश, जहाँ पे हम LOL न्यूज पोस्ट करते हैं। एक पोस्ट किसी की लाइफ बदल सकती है, बिकॉज रेस्क्यू टीम्स वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम करती है। किसी के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा गलत भी होता है तो वहाँ से हम स्प्रेड करते हैं। तो आप प्लीज़ LOL न्यूज़ को फॉलो करना, कुछ भी आपको अच्छा लगे आप उसमें से शेयर करना। अभी आप लेट्स ऑफ लीश कस्तूरी के साथ ये पॉडकास्ट एंजॉय कीजिए, और आपको सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट क्या लगी वो कमेंट में बताइए। हमारी आज गेस्ट है दोनों मॉम, एक है कैट मॉम सिद्रा और एक है शमीन डॉग मॉम। ये भी मिथ बस्ट करेंगे कि कुत्ते बिल्ली एक साथ नहीं जाते हैं, हिंदू मुस्लिम एक साथ नहीं जाते हैं। ऑल मिथ्स। वी आर इन दुबई बॉस। डाइवर्सिटी, it's what we learn from Dubai. So many religions, creeds, color, sex, everything we have. But pet doesn't care anything. You are rich, you are poor, doesn't matter. Just love, and in return, love. Thank you for watching till now. अगर आप देख चुके हो तो let's continue और enjoy this podcast. Welcome to LOL, Shameen, Shidra.
Hi,
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
How are you all?
All good?
How's the day today?
It's just going on well.
How's been like today morning? What have you done?
Oh my god, I can't even imagine what all I had to do. Getting up with the baby, with the cats and everything.
You got new baby, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I didn't know that I can do so many things in a one go
Mm-hmm.
that I learned now.
Mm-hmm.
That you don't get a breather in between,
Mm-hmm.
and still you need to, do everything and the same stuff every day, and still you enjoy it.
So you had your cat before baby or after baby?
Yeah, I had my cats first. Those are my first babies, and then I
Kiko
have the third,
and Coco.
Coco. Yeah,
Male and female.
Coco is a female, now 4 years, and Kiko is male, now 3 years.
And then you had your baby.
Now we have a baby.
पता नहीं लेकिन like kind of मैंने सुना है, ये बहुत मिथ है कि जो औरतें अपनी गोद में बिल्ली बैठाती है उनके बच्चे नहीं होते।
Oh my God.
So she's the live example. Mythbuster. बच्चे होना भगवान के ऊपर है. उसके साथ पेट्स का आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी कनेक्शन है, राइट?
Not at all. Like I have been having these cats बचपन से. Like
Mhm.
जब से मैं छोटी सी थी तब से I had some or the other cats. I know कि India में we were not having them that properly how we keep them here with proper vaccinations, proper everything, which I learned, and I made sure before having the cat, I get all that knowledge. But still, this kind of myth, what you're saying, I haven't heard. But ऐसा है तो I had like cats every time.
Amazing. Hello, Shami.
Hi, Kasturi.
Dodo's friend's mommy. No one know our name right now.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone knows what Pluto's mom.
True.
Dodo's mom.
That's true.
That's right. How's Pluto?
Pluto is very good.
How's your day today?
My day today is very organized, I would say. Thank God for Pluto being that organized himself. So my day starts at 5. And Pluto wakes up with me.
Of course.
He first comes for his good morning rubs. And then he knows he needs to sit by the kitchen while I'm working because his cheese sandwich gets ready along
Oh
with
my
our
God.
breakfast. That is one treat he has to have in the morning because he has acid reflux issues. So if he doesn't eat anything in the morning,
Okay.
he'll start throwing up bile. And he loves his cheese. So either sometimes it's goat cheese because it's plain goat cheese is not salty.
So you mean to say like हम dog को cheese दे सकते हैं?
Of course. So goat cheese is very good for them because even lactose intolerant dogs tolerate goat cheese because it doesn't have the A1 gene in that. Cows have an A1 gene nowadays. And that's what gets people and pets lactose intolerant. So goat cheese is very good. Although he does tolerate normal cheese as well. So he will have string cheese with my daughter. So mozzarella.
So you have daughter.
I have a 16-year-old daughter.
16-year-old daughter. So I don't need to ask who came first.
Of course not. She did, and she had been wanting either a dog or a kid. So she wanted a sibling in any form, 2-legged, 4-legged, not a problem.
Not a problem.
But that time I had my own business and it was events. So it was not possible to have one more. But
Yes.
and we gave her the best because that's what we wanted to do. And she has been asking this since she was 7. And I told her, I said, the day you can take responsibility and walk the dog and take care, that's the time we'll
So
have
it's a
the dog.
kind of gift.
It's a gift to me more than anybody in my house because I am the most lonely person in the house once everyone is gone.
Yeah, that is what it's happened to be happen. Like एक time के बाद जब होता है ना कि बच्चे बड़े हो गए, husband is going
Exactly.
to office and we are a working woman. Still कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे होता है कि lay back कोई चाहिए.
Mine is opposite. Like I had cats before because of that. Because I did not wanted to have kids. So I was working and all those things. I have been married for 5 years now. So I had a plan that I would do after a certain time. So, but cats were always possible, right? So I was behind my husband who does not like cats. He loves dogs.
Oh my God.
And I made sure that, no, right now we have a small apartment. If we had a big house, I would have gone for the dog as well. But right now, let me have cats first. I can take that much
And that
responsibility
too.
right now. Then slowly, then we thought, that sibling kind of thing.
Yeah.
कि अब इसको खेलने के लिए कोई चाहिए. So we got the other cat, which is like Kiko.
Pluto के लिए सोच रहे हो आप ऐसे कुछ?
We are, but not until we move into a villa because currently also where we are staying, it is a little challenging.
So do you really think कि मतलब dog को कोई फर्क पड़ता है इससे?
Of course not. In fact, this is one thing I always tell people. I see these rescue and shelters, right, talking about this dog needs only a villa.
Ah, that's it.
No,
So
why?
demanding. Why?
I'll tell you why. A home for a dog. Do you have your kids running around the house all day or they go to the park to play?
Of course, for the park to play.
In the house, it's time to relax. It's unwind. Spend quality time cuddling, watching TV. That's what kids do. Imagine your kids jumping from one sofa to the other. Dogs
Unbearable,
don't need
yeah,
that. if you give enough exercise that a breed requires, a dog does not care, because a dog will find its one place in the entire house. Anyways, he doesn't need the entire house. We need 3 bedrooms because we want 2 bathrooms for ourselves. He goes outside. He doesn't need those bathrooms.
Yeah.
Even Pluto has a massive 3-bedroom house. He sleeps under the dining table only.
Yes. Yes, of course.
So does he really need a villa at this point? No. No dog needs. And at home, he knows zoomies have to be controlled. He knows where he can do what. And most of the time, once we are home, he naps and naps and naps all day.
I have seen with Dodo also that when he is at home, he is the most relaxed one.
Very.
He don't want to play. Even my daughter want to play with him. He said, not right now, I'm busy. Busy with what? Taking naps. Long hour naps.
And it's good because 14 to 16 hours naps, that's how they heal.
Yeah.
That's good for their mental health. That's good for their physical health. Sleep for dogs is extremely important for them to heal in all levels.
Correct.
And Pluto is like a grumpy grandpa. He won't allow you to sleep, but if he's sleeping, you dare not wake him up.
Yes. So you coming from UP, you coming from Bombay, and I'm coming from Delhi and West Bengal, like Calcutta, and we landed to Dubai. Do you feel the Indian culture of pets, it's different from UAE culture of pets?
To be honest, a little, yes. Because even the culture in Mumbai, for that matter, is drastically changing. But there's no importance given to training as much as it's done here. Because, again, the laws, I believe, are a little stricter. Unfortunately, for animal cruelty, they aren't. Right?
Yes.
They aren't. There are laws. But laws become laws when you enforce them.
Yes.
Not just on paper, right? But in India, unfortunately, even if your dog goes and bites someone, ilaj karwa lo, paise de do, theek rahega.
Yes.
That's the thing. But here, we have to be very, very careful because no matter what, it is always the dog's fault.
Yes, whatever. Like, आप अपने बच्चे को नहीं सिखा रहे हो, वो जाके उन्होंने परमिशन लिया, उन्होंने पेरेंट्स से पूछा, जो भी डॉग वॉकर है या जो भी पेरेंट्स हैं उन्होंने पूछा कि ये कैट के साथ में खेल सकता हूँ कि नहीं, ये डॉग के साथ में छू सकता हूँ कि नहीं, straight away going and touching them.
But you're not only, I've not seen this so much in kids than adults.
Yeah,
People,
so cute,
people
cute.
behave
True.
like they've never seen a dog. I've had people on our walks try to take a picture and I've absolutely refused them. I said, I will sue you under the cyber laws if you take my son's picture, because it is as good as you taking my daughter's picture. You cannot take a picture. For what? You want a golden picture? Go on Google, you'll find many. Not my son.
But I love this term you said, son.
He is my son.
I admire that.
Because 2017, I had a miscarriage. I didn't even know I was pregnant. And after that, life just happened and nothing happened. And when he came into our lives, that's how even my daughter will tell you, the Amazon list is only for Pluto, not for me.
And that's a mental health, you know. That mental health and that bonding, emotional
Very
bonding.
much. Very much.
It's so soothing.
I cannot imagine a day without him, although he loves his daycare more than us. But just having him around, it's like a part of me is there in the house. And for a golden, he's very, very overprotective.
Yeah.
He will growl and he will come for you if he sees especially men approaching my daughter on a walk. Goldens are not so protective. They're not guard dogs. But he naturally, instinctively
They're
is very
jealous.
protective.
I tell them jealous. Goldens are very jealous. They know this is mine means mine.
Oh yeah. We can't touch the
अगर
IKEA
कोई
dog.
टी-शर्ट्स वगैरह हमारे घर में जैसे हो ना, he will come with the t-shirt, means उनको उसको पहना दो. इफ लाइक हम उनको पहना दिए, उसके 2 दिन तक वो टी-शर्ट उसी का है. No one dare to snatch that t-shirt.
I love this thing about dogs, you know, the kind of, they have attachment to the people, like, if that is theirs, like, ye mera banda hai or bandi hai, like that. They do love them with whole heart and everything.
But ये भी एक बात है कि I have heard so many things that babies को rashes होते हैं cats के बाल से. लिटर बॉक्स जो प्रेग्नेंट लेडी होती है वो लिटर बॉक्स साफ नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड कैट्स दिस दैट आप बताओ, आप लाइव एग्जांपल हो हमारे लिए, बिकॉज यू वेंट थ्रू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट? सो यू टेल अस.
So for litter box, literally, because you get the smell, so you're just trying to avoid that. Making your husband to do that.
That's not for
That's
infection,
what-
right?
That's it. That's it. I could do that, but obviously the smell is too much for me. So my husband used to take care of that. That's like a very simple thing. And honestly, we were like trying to keep his things, like my son's things, separately. There's that, before the baby comes, you're trying to be a little bit, not thinking anything about the cats will do anything, but we are trying to do set something that we will try to take care of these things. But now they are living and coexisting together. Literally, Kiko, the boy, thinks it's all his stuff. I had posted just reel about him sitting and going into the crib. That late night I have to wake up and check that he's not, like, while it is closed, because it can be like he wants to sit there only. So
Okay.
I will say, Kiko, I will open it for you. Don't go while it's closed.
And they understand, see?
They do.
Body language matters.
Yeah.
They understand.
The boy is simply, I was always like, I wanted a girl even as a baby or even as a cat. We wanted like, female, because we did not wanted to breed them or anything like that. That was clearly out of picture for us. We wanted to keep 2. That's it. We wanted to take care of them. But then somehow we got a boy. Someone gave us when we came home. So they were not getting along. And I was like, why? She gets
Gave you like gifted?
no, adopted. Them.
Adopted?
So when I got it, I was like, no, I was asking for a female. Why are they not getting along? But because Kiko, the Coco, the female one, gets along well with the females.
No, एक मिनट मुझे समझाओ आप. आपने पहले एक कीको को लिया.
पहले Coco को लिया.
कोको को लिया.
Female. She gets well with the females.
Okay.
So that's why we were planning to get the female
So
only.
कोको को आपने अडॉप्ट करा.
दोनों को अडॉप्ट किया है.
दोनों को.
पहले कोको लाए थे, फिर कीको का आई प्लान कि मुझे बहुत अच्छे से 2 वाइट कैट्स दिखे एंड आई वांटेड टू ब्रिंग देम होम एंड दिस एंड दैट.
Why did you adopt them? Like किसी ने छोड़ दिया या कोई रेस्क्यू से या कहाँ से?
I found them on Facebook groups where you find this pictures, no? That
Amazing.
there are
Okay.
multiple cats they are taking care of.
Yeah.
And they're like, if someone can give them home, something like that. Honestly, the process I want to talk about, I was someone who was like, it's very stringent process. They screen you so much and all those things. But now I understand why. Every day when I see 1 or 2 stories of pets going off, like, one day they are at home, second day they are on street, the cats, like, there are babies. I can't even imagine one of them going one day outside, because the first one, Coco, wants to go outside every time. I have my eyes on the door every damn day that she should not go out. My house help is instructed, anything happens is fine. In household chores, you do anything, I'm okay. Be it the cat, please don't let her go out anyway. So that's how I now understand why those processes were stringent. So whenever you are adopting, like, be it anybody, please go through the process properly. I would request anyone who
Understand
is
the process.
listening
Yes.
to it, it's okay. Answer those questions, because they know what they get back the cats, or sometimes the parents who adopted did not take care of them very well. They lost it or something like that. They had gone through many problems like that. That's why the process is so stringent.
So your
Here.
baby is okay with them?
Baby is now fine. He has been
No
living with them.
allergies, no nothing.
Nothing. He has allergy with my lactose intolerance and all, but not with the cats. Nothing with the cats. Can you imagine, like, people say a lot about these kind of things. Rather, he has things different than.
मुझे आई बिलीव दैट मुझे लगता है अगर आपकी बेबी को हो सकता है, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग नहीं है, हो सकता है एलर्जीज, डॉक्टर कंसर्न करो, डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट को दिखाओ.
I would say at least try the best how you would do for
हाँ
your
मतलब
baby,
ये रिवर्स होता तो
right?
लाइक बेबी
अब
की वजह से अगर
अगर आप-
कैट को
हाँ।
एलर्जी हो रहा है तो आप क्या, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? बेबी को बोलोगे शेल्टर में डाल दोगे? नो.
Oh, in fact, when we got Pluto, I remember I've never had skin problems ever in my life. I don't know what happened. All my knuckles were tearing, bleeding, turning black. It happened, it was on for like a month and a half.
It is for the allergies.
I have no clue. I
Only
mean, it
change was
started
that
on
Pluto
it started on the second, third day when we got Pluto. And every burning. I can't put my hands in the water. It's burning, it's bleeding. Cooking became issue. And, everyone was a little worried. So I said, no, it's fine. Just because it's a new animal in the house, things will happen. Your body, your immune system is getting used to it. It'll go. So I just kept putting Cetaphil because he came also with severe dandruff. So maybe because of that it happened or something.
You took it from a breeder?
Yes, unfortunately. I would say unfortunately for the reason that shelters keep crying, adopt, right? But they don't allow you to adopt if you don't have NOC. Now in
NOC from the building?
the landlord.
Okay.
How many people can really get an NOC? Even now, Dubai is not so pet friendly in terms of landlords aren't that pet friendly. And if you see communities,
Okay.
like you have Damac, Emar, there are very few communities. That means it's just a brief section of people who can afford to adopt.
Yeah.
We spoke to 3 shelters
Okay.
and we were like, I've had dogs. I've grown up with dogs. I know what it takes to have a dog. So I said, I don't know what people you deal with. We're not the ones who throw because we raise our pets. We don't, have our pets.
Have a pets. This concept is very important. हमारे यहाँ डॉक्टर टीना भी आई थी and she told this clearly, like ना कि pet parents and pet owner होने में बहुत difference
Of
है.
course.
Right.
So
And what she said
there
is
is.
right. It's very stringent, and like you become like you have to prove yourself sometimes.
See,
That's it.
the problem is, I told one of them, I said, I am willing to take the risk. But unfortunately, you guys aren't willing to take the risk. Then don't keep crying and shouting that you want people to adopt. You need to take risk with some people.
yes,
Right?
yes.
That's
And
another story. Like I think maybe this is also a problem that they have less of a manpower. Something is
see,
you know-
manpower, what happens with shelters, manpower is going to remain the same. The dog will go
Yeah.
back to them. Nothing is going to change. You're not going to take one dog and give them 10 more, right?
Right.
That will go, right? So that is what kept happening. But I guess we don't choose our pets. The pets choose us. And believe me, that day,
Absolutely.
I think Pluto was waiting for us. It was April 8th, Ramadan,
Okay.
2022. And I was speaking to 2 breeders as well. I said, I don't know how it works over here. Let's go and have a look. So one of the shelters said, come, we will manage something for you guys.
Okay.
I called up Shelter didn't answer. And that was RAC. Okay,
Oh.
Russell Khema. Then I called up
That
one
is a
breeder,
major issue.
Umal Queen. Breeder also
Communication
didn't
problem,
pick up.
yeah.
Finally, Sharjah. The guy's like, yes, ma'am, come over. We walk in. There are 2 girls, 2 boys, and I've never heard a dog scream and bang the cage like a monkey. He was actually hanging on the crate and screaming.
See, I'm having a goosebump.
And that's when my daughter is like, Mom, this guy is screaming. I said, okay, get him out. And I knew in my heart, I said, this is a very hyper dog. And we are not athletic at home, you know what I mean?
Yes, yes.
So we are not people who will get up 5 a.m. on a 31st and go jogging and all
Yeah,
that stuff. No, we aren't. And he was very hyper. But for some reason, I mean, my husband is like, if he doesn't lick me, my husband just does not like licking.
Okay.
Just
Still now?
You know, yeah, he feels ticklish. Till now, he
Still
feels
now?
ticklish. And Pluto knows it. He
Okay.
won't. He won't.
Now he adopted that.
Yeah, and he's like, if he does not lick, he's coming home.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, okay. And since that day, I mean, he picked him up and he's like, don't lick. And that he's like, okay, this boy's coming home. I wasn't mentally ready, honestly. I was planning to have a look, understand. But I guess when they have to come home, they have to come home.
They has to. It will
And
tend.
believe me, I know for a fact if Pluto was in any other house,
Mhm.
he would be given up. He's not easy.
That's hard.
He's not easy. I've had a lot of suggestions saying, maybe you might. I said, no. If you have differently abled kids in your house, what do? Throw them out? I said, no.
Amazing.
I said, my son may have ADHD.
This
My
mindset,
son may be
very few
having
people
autism.
have.
He's differently able. What he can do, no other dog can do. Believe me, we don't command Pluto. Till date, we speak to him in terms of, what must you do? And he's like, oh, I need to sit. Okay. Can you say please? And he'll say please to his toys also to play with them.
Mhm. It's a
Even-
body language.
Even
That's
with
what
me on a
communication
walk.
deals
Yeah.
with. Yeah.
Even on a walk. I don't
Animal
say
can
heel.
understand.
I say, Pluto, with me. And even if he's far away, he'll come. We communicate to him. They say, don't humanize, right, dogs? It's not about humanizing them.
It's about
It's
bonding.
about having such a deep bond
Mhm.
that people who come home don't understand that when I'm looking at him, he knows mom's telling me it's okay. Don't move from there. It's just fine. We play this game of winking to each other. Can you imagine a dog winking at you? We play that game so many times. We communicate so much just by looking at each other. That's the bond that you have when you raise your pets.
Yes. And that justified.
On one note, like what she mentioned, don't you think like there is a thing, even if these breeders who have a lot of cats, don't you feel like even those cats need to be like rescued? Those dogs even need to be like
Thank you. Everyone
that is
needs
like
rescuing, actually.
Yeah.
because they keep in worse condition than the shelters
Yes,
and everything.
because when she said
When you go there and see things, because I keep seeing pictures and all, and obviously my friends and all, they do adopt from some places like that or buy. They show me the pictures. I'm like, even that feels like, you are kind of getting them out of something really bad, because those people will literally throw. If like with cat, I don't know about the dogs, what is
yeah.
the age? If they grow up like 1 year to 2 years,
and no one
wants to adopt them. Only everybody wants this much.
small one.
In fact, 2-3 months back, I'd received a WhatsApp message from random breeder, available golden retriever puppies. I think one of the prices, normal price is about 3,500-4,000. Another one for 600. I said, why 600? It's medium quality. I said, what do you mean by quality? And when
because
I saw
went
the
through this. I
picture,
know.
I told my husband, I said, you know what? This is the runt of the litter. It's going to be discarded or something. So I kind of, just put it up everywhere I could. I said, look, you're getting a golden for 600. Because that's the only thing people understand if they want to buy.
Yeah.
Right? I said, this girl needs saving because she will be on the streets. So,
Or else put to sleep. I have seen, because when Dodo come home, like मैं एक already एक मेरा podcast है. You people can go and check. There is a journey with me and Dodo.
right.
I took Dodo 2018. 23rd August 2018. 23rd Feb 2018 we got married. So it's, I don't think ये coincidence हो सकता है, because हमने plan नहीं करा था. We have not planned कि हम आज चलते हैं, आज जाके एक गोल्डन रिट्रीवर लेके आते हैं. हम गोल्ड खरीदने गए थे एंड डोडो आया. सो गोल्ड नहीं, गोल्डन रिट्रीवर आया. सो कोइंसिडेंस नहीं है. ऊपर वाला ना
See, as they
Planned
always say,
something.
that animals have a soul contract with you.
Absolutely.
And that's very, very
absolutely.
true. Because when Pluto came in,
Mhm.
my daughter was going through a very, very tumultuous mental health issue at that time because of bullying at school.
Okay.
And I mean, clinically, she was depressed. You know what I mean? But that's the time I think Pluto had to come, because he never came 7 years ago when she
Ago.
wanted
And
a dog
what was
so
her
much.
daughter's age that time?
She was 14.
Just 14.
Yeah.
And that's the teen
Oh,
most
yeah.
That's the,
breaking
I
Yes.
think
time,
that's the
right?
worst
Yeah.
time when if Allah na kare that thing
Yes.
happens to the kids.
Yeah. And
Just वो
And
कच्ची
my-
time पे
oh
है.
yeah. And not only Pluto, I think all the dogs
Mhm.
that she started working for Second Wags as a volunteer. She was the youngest volunteer. Normally volunteering, they take 16.
Mhm.
But I told her, I said, you know what? These are the only beings that can help my
Mhm.
daughter.
Mhm.
Just let her come, you know. I used to drive her. I still drive her. I'm the chauffeur. And I'm like mom to all of those also. Every time people take Charmaine, take one. I said, take one. If I could, I would take them all.
Yes.
But it's just not the right time and the right place where I am that I can take any.
And
So that was the only day where she would happily get out of the house and spend time. And it would,
Amazing.
you know, fulfill her mentally.
is it kind of an angel like भगवान ने
Yeah.
भेजा है like उन्हीं
So-
का कोई एक
Even today,
बंदा है, हाँ.
her 16th birthday, in fact, she spent with Second Wags dogs. She cancelled the birthday party and said, no, it's my adoption day and they need me more. And finally, after 2 years, she got her first adoption through of a golden with a family in
Oh
Abu
my
Dhabi. So
And
it was a
you
big
know,
day for her
that's a
that I
confidence she
got
gained again.
somebody, a kid adopted. So
Can't imagine even the good feeling she was.
of course,
And
Of course.
I would love to meet your daughter.
definitely.
She is like our kind of girl, no?
Oh, absolutely. She.
Vibes are
I
like
would love to meet the dogs.
Oh yeah.
See, अब मुझे तो लगता है cat dogs can go alone. मैं तो ये भी सोच रही थी कि क्यों ना हम की को प्लूटो डोडो सबको यहाँ ले आए, उन्हीं का ले लेते हैं पॉडकास्ट, उन्हीं के साथ बातचीत करते हैं. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मैं पूरे दिन कर सकती हूँ.
Seriously,
True.
we can.
I
Oh,
can,
yeah?
I can leave anything. If I need to be with them, I can leave anything. It doesn't matter me anything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
Although like cats are really easy to transport anywhere, take them anywhere,
Uh,
but only issue is they don't like it.
they,
that's the
they're very
main
choosy,
reason.
right?
Yeah, that's the main reason we don't take them out
True.
because we prefer their comfort
Yeah.
more than us. Because even when we are traveling,
Mhm.
I make sure they stay at home more
Mm.
than sending them to any other place, like the pet people who keep pets or anything like that. I prefer they stay at home. They
Mhm.
have their own
Mhm.
environment,
Mhm.
Right.
and I keep a person there rather than
Ah.
because
Because वो अपने घर में
Yeah,
वो
of
अलग
course, yeah.
satisfaction
yeah,
मिलती है.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's the major difference as well. One of the major
That's
difference between
true.
the cats and dog.
Mhm.
Cats are like, नहीं मेरे को यहीं छोड़ दो ना."
Dogs don't tell me because डोडो को एक प्रॉब्लम है. डोडो को क्योंकि ना कोविड के टाइम में व्हेन हमें सडनली यहाँ मूव हुआ, हम प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं डोडो को लाएंगे एंड कोविड हैपन.
Yeah.
तो वो 6 मंथ अराउंड 1 ईयर का जो गैप है ना, वो मेरी इन लॉज के साथ, मेरी मदर, मेरे
So
पेरेंट्स के
Dora you
साथ.
got from India.
या ही केम फ्रॉम इंडिया टू दुबई. उसके लिए एक अलग स्टोरी में बताऊंगी कभी. So, बहुत प्रोसेस है उसका. तो उस टाइम ना उस डोडो को लगा कि मेरे को ये लोग छोड़ दिए,
Mm.
they are not going to come back. उसने see I got tears. He waited for 1 year.
But fortunately, you guys.
He's here. He's here because you didn't give up,
Yeah.
right? Because you never had him. You raised him. So he will always be with you.
Sorry. It's
Oh
okay.
no.
Don't be sorry for the emotions you experience with it.
It's as simple. Don't be sorry for
That's
being
the
a
love.
mom,
Yeah.
right?
So क्या एंजाइटी इशू हो गया. He felt like कि ये लोग वापस नहीं आएंगे. हमने ट्राई किया, सब कुछ किया, एंड वो यहाँ आ गया एंड वी सेटल डाउन एवरीथिंग, बट उसको कहीं और नहीं रहना, लाइक डे केयर या किसी के नहीं, उसको सबसे कंफर्ट होता है उसकी ये घर पे। तो इसके लिए क्या हुआ कि हम ट्रैवल कर रहे थे कहीं पे इसी ईयर को, तो सडनली समथिंग हैपेंड एंड माई नैनी नहीं आ पाई, बट वी हैव टू ट्रैवल बिकॉज टिकट वगैरह सब बुक हो गया, एंड still now I don't know why, but that comfort of pet traveling is not there out of country. I don't know कब ये होगा, इतनी फिजिबिलिटी, वी आर रेडी टू पे, हम तो पेमेंट करने के लिए रेडी है, बट क्यों नहीं वो चीज होता है। सो इसके लिए क्या हुआ ना कि हमें डोडो को रखना पड़ेगा। अब डे केयर वो जाएगा नहीं, उसको एंजाइटी इशू हो जाती है ये। अभी हमने एक बंदे से बात किया एंड वो घर पे आके रहने के लिए रेडी हो गया। ही स्टेड एट होम, उसको बस 1 घंटा 2 घंटा वॉक कराना था। घर पे पूरे कैमरे लगे हुए हैं, तो लाइक कि वो सेफ हैंड में है कि नहीं वो एक देखने के लिए। एंड देन दैट मैन केम, ही डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग, just he need to sit for 5 hours because my brother-in-law is also here, he is a doctor. तो वो उसको क्लिनिक से घर आने में जितना टाइम लगेगा उतना टाइम हमें चाहिए था कोई बंदा, एंड ही टेक पर डे 200 dirham just to sit for 4 to 5 hours, and it continues for 5 days because 6-7 मेरी brother-in-law ने बोला कि मैं I'll take leave for some time because not justifying। तो ये कनेक्शंस ना ये बच्चों के साथ ही हो पाता है ये। सो आई एब्सोल्युटली गेट योर पॉइंट कि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। उनको जब कोई कुछ बोलता है ना, इट्स लाइक अ पैरानॉइड, आई एम अ पैरानॉइड मॉम, ट्रस्ट मी। मतलब मेरी तो झगड़ा हो सकता है, कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ मैं डोडो के लिए।
Asked a mom, muzzle your kid.
ये
I did that. In fact, I was on the middle of the road and
I have done something similar, like with the guests who came, and Coco was very young. Like we just got her for 2-3 months, and she was very small. And he started. I was like, I picked the kid up and gave to mom. Like, oh, pakdo, because she can't understand that much,
Yes.
but this guy can.
I was outside our pet shop and Pluto gets scared of kids. He's scared because he
Yeah.
doesn't know how they will
And
react.
that's also
right?
one thing people don't understand. They are more scared.
वो क्या कुछ बोले, और वो कुछ बोलना भी चाहे ना, ये में भी स्केरी के लिए हो सकता है कि कुछ बोलने गया है।
And then, I mean, she turns around and says, muzzle your dog. I said, muzzle your kid. She's crying too loudly. It's irritating my son. I mean, bang in the middle of the road, I did that. I mean, in my building, literally, I think people know Pluto doesn't bite, mom does. Because
No, that's true.
I
Half of us are
advocate.
like that. We will do that. But he can't.
हम लोग कर सकते हैं, और
actually-
ये पोटेंशियल है
Yeah,
हमारे।
because I've had someone ask me, how can you live with it?
Oh my
I said,
god.
the way you live with your son,
Yes.
no matter what, I
Don't come
live
at
with
my home।
mine.
मैं तो कितने जनों ने बोला कि आप अपने, मैं घर तभी आऊंगा जब आप अपने डॉग को बांध दोगे, मैं मत आओ, मत मिलो। I'm okay with that।
Like I was telling you your
Yes.
story, right? Like so when I was young, but during my I think my job time or something, I was in Bangalore. I had a friend who had a beautiful golden retriever, and I was shit scared of dogs. Still am, but now being a mom, I am trying to learn a lot. So I went to his house, and he is that big, and I am like, obviously I am also not tall. He was coming on to me, and I was like, dude, please leash him and all those things. But he was lovely, and he must have hated me for that. The dog, and obviously
if I
even Shubhankar as well, but he loved me so much that he was like, okay, my friend is scared. She's genuinely scared, so let me do that. But once I got my cats, I literally texted him and said, I'm sorry that I came to his home and I asked him to be on the leash. I am learning. I will next time I went to a friend's house, but the thing is, I went to a German Shepherd's mom.
So
And I tried
experience it
telling
different.
her. I asked her, no, I will manage. You let him like that only. That he jumped onto me and my soul left. No more experiences with dog. I never went back to their home. But I
So-
understand. So that's the thing that I am
आपने
now
लिया,
as a mom.
you went through
Yeah.
on that and you realized that कितना difficult होता है कि आप जिसके घर आए आप उसी को बांध रहे बोल रहे हो आप उसके घर
And
आए
being
हो उस
that only taught me when I became a cat mom properly. Like mama के घर पे we were just keeping cats. They were taking care, and we were like, हाँ कोई आ रहा है कोई जा रहा है ठीक है कोई बात नहीं है. Now when people do that to us, I'm like, sorry, dude, I did that. I am learning. Next time I come, I will behave.
Because in fact, when we sometimes have people over, I prefer Pluto being in daycare, not because the people are scared, because my son will get stressed
yes
because of the screaming and
so
you know,
much things.
I mean, just kids coming over. So I tell him, I say, beta, you go and enjoy with your friends and girlfriends. Rather than leashing him, putting him in the crate or putting him in the room. He loves his daycare and I
he
take
loves
him-
it
Oh my God.
when he comes back he's fine okay
He just sleeps. He sleeps. But
He
the
played
minute
so
I say,
much.
Pluto, where's your bag? Oh, he runs to my office room because his bag, that means I'm going to the daycare to
Daycare.
play with my friends.
and that is good what he have adapted no daycare
And
वाला अगर
he's
ये
been
चीज
going
हो
to
रहा है,
one
very good.
daycare since he was 5 months old. Only one daycare. There have been so many times I get these collabs coming in on Instagram.
Yeah.
Even groomer for that matter. He has only one groomer.
Oh yes.
I don't
I
look
was
at
supposed
money.
to come on that.
I don't
Yeah.
look at money.
Mm.
I don't look at anything. I said,
Yes.
you give it to me free. I cannot take a chance with my son because he is someone that if he has, he gets traumatized very easily, and it stays
and
with
so
him.
soft-hearted, no? मुझे
Yeah,
भी ऐसे लगता है,
stays with
so
him.
soft-hearted.
So once he had a bad experience with a small breed, he tells the entire world, small breeds, stay away from me.
Dogs only because Dodo has this problem with huskies. One time one husky attacked him, and from that time उसकी लिटरली उसकी जैसे कंधों के जैसे बाल है ना वो एकदम खड़े हो जाते हैं ही गेट द टेल अलर्ट बट उसको ये है कि मामा पीछे हो ना आप मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ आप पकड़ के रहना बस छोड़ना मत मैं इसको ये बोलती हूँ बेटा छोड़ दे क्यों हम तुझे भी पता है मुझे भी पता है हम दोनों डरते हैं छोड़ दे फिर वो देखेगा पीछे आप हो तो मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ मैं करूँ कुछ but I know he will not.
Dogs discriminate breeds
Yeah.
in their
No,
own
yes.
animal
So even
kingdom.
the cats, I'm
Cat-
telling you, right?
Yeah.
Coco was okay with the
They choose
female.
like literally yes. I will
Yeah.
not go.
Yeah, they
Coco was okay with the female, so we were planning to get a female only. The day Kiko came, and I was planning for getting.
Right.
Somehow, I don't know how that lady did not know the difference between
Male,
male
female.
and female, and she gave us the male. And I was like, seeing why is she behaving so badly, so differently? She was all okay because I kept a cat before that just to see how she reacts.
Yeah.
My friend's cat only. I was like, just give me for 2-3 days. We will see how she is. Then only I'm gonna get another one. Because why would I traumatize her? My lord, he got a boy.
So now you
And-
spayed them?
Yeah, both are spayed, neutered, everything on the probable timeline doctor gives. Like when they are this month old, you get them. That is safest.
What
time.
age
That
you
is-
spayed?
Coco we got around 3 months, and Kiko we adopted only when he was 6 months. So we got as soon as we got next day when we went to the vet, and I'm saying she is like, no, it's a boy. Oh God, I did not check it.
So spayed वाला थोड़ा सा बताओ कितना time span तक लगा?
So it's like obviously you can do it after few months only. with cats, आप 1-2 months के बाद आप कर सकते हो. You can do that easily. Main problem what I see is money. What people try to.
वो
There are
इंश्योरेंस
centers
में
in-
कवर नहीं होता.
No. So those there are centers in RAC and all,
Mhm.
Sharjah. You can just look around. You get good deals, better deals. Then
Mhm.
you can talk to the shelters or any places which offer as per your budget. You can still get that done. So I got them done both. One in Business Bay and one in RAC because it was very initial. I did not know about it. We were just finding things out, and I was like, okay, let me just get it done where I know exactly these things happen and all. So that is done, and they are both fine. Coco was very aggressive before that. She became calm. Kiko, because he got done very properly, and as soon as he came, I got him spayed, vaccinated, and everything. He is the calmest. Like the boy,
That helps.
yeah, because I keep
मदद
telling
किया ये
people
बहुत ज्यादा.
that spaying and neutering will ease your life. They don't pee or anything in your house. You are complaining because you are not doing something for them. You are thinking of, I guess, breeding or something, or having like simple things I have
क्योंकि
heard
of
from the
course
people is like,
हम सोचेंगे
Yeah.
भाई बहन सिबलिंग, but we understand.
that's what I
Heat
was saying.
moment आएगा and we don't know.
Yeah, that's what
वो
I'm
और
telling
ज्यादा
you. That
बढ़ता जाएगा.
there are
Forget
people
that.
who just simply say,
You will
मुझे
breed.
इसके बच्चे देखने हैं. ये
क्यों
सब.
देखने
I'm
अपने
like,
कर लो.
excuse me. They reproduce
अपने
3 to 4
बच्चे कर लो.
3 to 4 kids. You will not be able to take care of them
Of course.
all. You
Of
will
course.
have to let them go out. Then
और
why?
वही तो हम siblings जैसा सोचेंगे, but understand, they will not understand. It's a heat kind of a moment. वो एक आएगा and they will have babies. So it's better कि हम spay करवा
And
लें.
even if you want, you will have one of the child.
That's what
And बाकी
The
सारे
remaining
you'll
will-
have to let them go. You
will
have
end
to.
up in a shelter.
Yeah.
shelter या और आप बेचना शुरू करोगे.
पर बेच
And
के भी
उससे ना पता सही, what you're mentioning is right. With cats, they become like, okay, up to you, this becomes a
बेचना
income
शुरू
stream.
करोगे
But
literally.
still, I know for sure that not all kids get adopted. Not all cats
No,
get
no, no,
adopted
no.
for sure.
फिर क्या होगा, वो डंप कर दोगे, पार्ट्स भी जैसे हैं.
exactly.
And with cats, I think this is more because they are smaller.
Yes.
People think it's fine.
Yeah,
we can
it's
have
fine.
more. We can. For me, it was the only thing. Only when Coco started being happy, then only I got the other one and spayed. Even though it was a male, I did not know. Good thing is I took him to the vet next day only, and I was like, "Do it,
Do it. नहीं तो अभी कितने सारे
yeah." That would have been unplanned.
प्लूटो न्यूटन.
Absolutely.
अमेजिंग. बिकॉज पता है क्योंकि ना अभी बोले ना कि डॉक्टर आई थी, वेट आई थी, तो शी ऑल्सो सेड, शी मेंशन कि ना बहुत बाद में जाके ना ये बीमारी हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So how was Pluto good with neutered?
Pluto was very good because we made sure we did his x-rays to check his bone formation was complete.
Okay.
Because big dogs, you cannot spay them very young.
Yeah.
So they need about
I think
16,
after
18 months.
18 months. Okay.
So we neutered Pluto at 18 months.
Mhm.
He's calmer.
Mhm.
He used to not get along with the same boys that he grew up with.
Okay.
Because he got territorial after a while in the daycare
Okay.
as well. So he used to have timeouts
Mhm.
and jail time and daycare. Very good with females though. But now he's back to his normal with his boys and girls over there. A lot, what has happened mainly is he's calmer even at home.
Mhm.
You don't have a lot of discharge.
Okay.
Because dogs have, male dogs especially, have a lot of discharge.
Charge, yeah.
And you can't help it. It's going to be on your furniture and your clothes and everywhere.
Everywhere.
But that has stopped. He barely marks, even on his walks. He does not mark. But the only thing I keep reminding myself is to keep his weight under check. Because after neutering and spaying, they do tend to put on weight.
Put on weight or
Put on.
Put on weight.
So I always make sure he's always between 28 and 30.
28 and 30 kg.
People tell me, feed him. I said, no. Because I know in the future, because people don't realize something about dogs or human beings for that matter, that Goldens look very cute when they are big, but clinically, when the day comes that your dog needs anesthesia, the anesthesia is given based on your weight. And the more anesthesia is given, the more time you take to recover to come out of that anesthesia. And in the medical world, anesthesia is what sometimes is more fatal than the surgery itself. And that is what people don't really understand. That even if your dog is not going through surgery, your dog needs an MRI, a scan, a hip dysplasia x-ray, where they really have to bend the pelvic muscle and bone in a certain way. A dog in its normal, mental capacity is not going to allow you to do that. It has to be given a sedative to be able to do that. So invariably, you are causing a lot of issues when you want your Golden to look good because it needs to look like Instagram.
So that makes you become a nutritionist? Because
I-
just now you have done the dog nutrition's completed.
Learning for a while now, in fact. I finally did my diploma and I'm currently pursuing my CPN as well from New Jersey.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So yeah, it's very important that his food is kept in check. His chews. I am a little finicky about ingredients. Oh my God. I go to pet store and they say, ma'am, this is good. I said, you know what? Don't talk to me. I am the wrong person to do marketing for.
Yes.
I said, you can't market me any brands.
Mhm.
I will look, check, and take what benefits my son.
Mhm.
So I spent about 2 hours even just to pick up treats because I have to
So
check.
raw food is not good, you mean?
No, raw food is amazing. Okay, raw food is great, provided you know how to handle that raw food hygienically, making sure that the hygiene levels are maintained for your pet as well as for your family. Like Pluto's bowl it never goes into the dishwasher. He has a separate dishwashing liquid which is made for dog bowls.
Okay, like which is only for dog bowls.
Only for dog bowls.
Mhm.
No Lux and Fairy liquid is
No
used.
caustic.
His sponge is separate. Everything is separate, and I wash it in really, really hot water
Mm. That's the germs.
till it is squeaky clean and there is no biofilm. I make sure, and it's clean that way all the time.
Mhm.
Everything is separate. If I have used a spoon for him, then that spoon from that day is his. His spatula for honey is his spatula for honey. So everything is, that's why when you do raw food,
Mhm.
it has to maintain a very high level of hygiene.
Mhm.
Even where you source it from needs to be hygienic as well. So raw food is great. But I personally prefer cooking it a bit.
Mhm.
So I'll just toss it a little. I
Mhm.
will not overdo it. It's just that I use a kill step and not go further than that.
That okay.
But yeah, he has most of it that I can give raw, like fruits, certain veggies, just
Mhm.
pureed, but raw is fine.
It's fine because what I have seen, Dodo is also very picky eater. He will not eat anything you will give. By bringing up, like जब वो बड़ा हो रहा था धीरे 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 धीरे, तो उसको आदत है ना घर का खाना खाने का. बिकॉज मुझे शुरू में ना मुझे ये मार्केट फूड समझ नहीं आया. बिकॉज बहुत सारा आई हैव सीन कि वो एक्सपायर्ड हो गया. आई डोंट नो व्हाट, अंदर से कीड़ा निकल रहा है एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. वो जब अंदर रहता है ना, आप देख नहीं सकते उसके अंदर. यू कैन नॉट सी
When you buy the
इनसाइड.
large pack,
लार्ज पैकेट्स,
Especially,
डोडो के लिए हम लार्ज पैकेट्स एक बार में ही लेके आते हैं बिकॉज एट दी राइट, मतलब रात को कभी जरूरत पड़ा नाइट,
True.
डिफिकल्ट टू रन. सो
Mm.
मुझे वो सारी चीजें, तो मैंने उसके लिए ना एक मतलब पैटर्न बना लिया कि ताजी ताजी सी उसका चिकन आएगा, उसका लीवर आएगा,
Right.
उसका पंजा जो होता है ना, ही लव दैट कैल्शियम, फुल ऑफ कैल्शियम होता है उसमें. पम्पकिन एंड कैरेट,
Right.
बीन्स, और कभी कभार एवोकाडो, boil it, a simple 1 city 2 city whistle, that's it, and he take it with rice, जो उसको मतलब उसकी दुनिया की सबसे फेवरेट फूड है, मतलब वो बहुत ज्यादा सो रहा है, बेडरूम में है, एसी चल रहा है, एंड ही इज हैविंग अ स्लीप, 1 city ही इज अप एंड ही विल लिटरली आपके पास वो आएगा, आपको देखेगा, बन रहा है क्या मेरे लिए कुछ, है क्या मेरे लिए कुछ, मैं रेडी हूँ, मैं रेडी हूँ, सो ही गॉट एक्साइटेड, बट वो रोटी भी खाता था, he love roti chapati, you know, but nowadays wheat is lactose for him, wheat intolerant,
Gluten, yes.
yeah, वो नहीं ले पा रहा वो
Yeah.
चीज। अभी क्या हो गया, यहाँ मुझे आके जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ लास्ट कुछ सालों में, वो है फ्रेश चिकन नहीं मिलता मुझे, जो प्रॉपर रॉ टाइप काइंड ऑफ का चिकन, तो उसके स्टमक में प्रॉब्लम होने लगा, एंड डोडो पहले से ही कमजोर है, हमने उसे ट्रीटमेंट करवा के वो करवा के मजबूत बनाया, तो उसको देख के या उसका लाइफस्टाइल देख के कोई बोल नहीं पाता, बट हमें पता है कहाँ उसका फ्लॉज है, सो अभी हम उसको फूड्स दे रहे हैं, बट रॉ फूड मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, पता नहीं।
I mean, it does take a certain pH level
हम्म,
in their body
हम्म,
to process that. So normally when dogs are on kibble or cooked food, their pH balance is a little lower. So it's not that you cannot up it. You can, but the transition takes a little while to move from kibble or cooked food to entirely raw food.
No, it's better for cat or even dog. I think this DIY cooking foods, DIY toys, DIY grooming अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है, और it's very good for them, because for cats also I think you can give fish or something.
We can, but cats are very, like, you know,
Picky.
finicky. My cat, like the first one, does not eat anything apart from chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, yeah.
There is only chicken for her. She does not eat
Cat
salmon,
like chicken. This is something first time I'm listening.
salmon, beef, any kind of food you bring, she is not. And she's someone who will not even put her head near the table of food filled with any kind of meat, any kind of thing you eat. I have never worried about keeping food on the table. People will come and say, "Oh, ye muh dal degi, she will eat," or anything. I'm like, no, she will not. Coco sometimes try, the other one tries, but then he is also behaving. When I say, Kiko, off, and he's like, fine, okay, I will learn. That's it.
This is what I say, कि आपको अपने बच्चे को परवरिश देना होगा, आपको वो डिसिप्लिन में ढालना होगा, आपकी घर के रूटीन के हिसाब से। हम अपने ह्यूमन बेबीज को भी तो करते हैं ना, वो अपने आप सीख जाएगा कि क्या रूटीन है घर का।
Like from the starting, when we tell them these things, they get so used to it. They need a pattern. Simple as that.
Simple as that.
They need a discipline. You teach them things,
and they
like,
are ready
show
to
them
accept it.
initially.
They're ready to adopt it.
When
Yes.
they are doing the things initially wrong, you tell them. Like, okay, while I was buying a couch, I told my husband not to buy a certain fabric, which is this one. To buy that fabric, which is like a
scratch
velvet.
कर सकता है,
Because
yeah.
this, they will scratch. They will like it. Even if I put 100 of scratch pads around,
Yes.
still this is
Yeah.
something they get
And
attracted
यही
to.
तो है जो पेट रेनोवेशंस, पेट फ्रेंडली रेनोवेशंस हम लोग करवाते हैं घर पे।
So that's what, like, we have to think about it. Now, unfortunately, he got the same fabric because he liked it. And he said, no, the thread count was very minute, this, that. I said, you are not
लॉन्ग टर्म
understanding.
सोचो, लॉन्ग टर्म।
Yeah, so I was like, it's okay. We will use it. We'll discard it in few years. Anyways, we do, like, you know, change the sofa or put it a cover.
और ये
That's
अभी
okay.
बहुत
But
important है।
they do that. They do scratch. Especially the smaller one does that. And I am like, sometimes I put him to the scratch pads, show him the scratch pads. But you know what?
Sometimes
Even the
traits.
kids do things
Yeah,
like that.
traits.
So I'm like, it's okay. Some things I have to train them, but some things I have to understand as well.
And that's what आज के डेट में ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज्यादा फ्रेंडली होते जा रहे हैं कि पेट फ्रेंडली रेनोवेशंस करवाओ। आप कंप्लेन मत करो, डोंट कंप्लेन, आप पेट फ्रेंडली रेनोवेशंस करवाओ। अभी नाउअडेज एक बहुत ज्यादा ग्रूमिंग, जब आप बोले ना तभी आई वाज गेटिंग दैट पॉइंट कि DIY ग्रूमिंग बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल है। आप अपने बच्चे को अच्छे से जानते हो, आप थोड़ा सा स्टडी करो, अब भले ही उसके नेल्स ना काट पाओ, बट जब ग्रूमिंग उसको आप बाहर की भी लेके जा रहे हो ना, आप वहाँ रुको, आपका अपना स्केड्यूल वैसा करो, बिकॉज आई एम सीइंग सो मेनी, कल भी मैंने देखा, उसकी कुछ दिन पहले भी मैंने देखा, सब कोई पेट लवर्स नहीं होता है, एवरी वन इज नॉट अ पेट लवर, they are doing it for money, they will not give you that same attention, and yeah, people are getting, like, pets are getting abused,
And you
groomers
you
are
can
abusing
realize that while they are handling and how your cat or dog reacts to them,
reacts, yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like to some people they are like all okay, but to others, because even how she said, my
Mm.
first one does not, I cannot take her to anyone. There is a clinic in Kisses where there is a Russian vet. She only she can handle. And I know that
And they
even my
don't,
cat is
they
finicky.
understand the touch, I think.
Yeah.
And
They
even
do.
my
They can
cat
sense
is
the
like that.
touch.
But that's what we
Yeah.
have to understand.
Yes. So uh, grooming is a part of collab brands. My pass, you know, you
It's a
people are know
very
from
intimate thing for a dog
yes,
or a cat.
because this
Grooming is very intimate.
Yeah, the gland excretions and all these
Exactly,
things, you have to
because-
know the techniques. कोई भी
No,
आज की डेट में
more than
groomer
that-
बन जा रहा है.
More than that, it's as good as would you like someone making you have a bath?
Yes,
It's intimate, right?
it's intimate.
Because the dog or cat is being touched at places where they feel threatened already because
Exactly.
they close themselves,
Exactly.
right? Most of the
Yes.
time. All those parts are very intimate for them.
Yes.
And then you go to a groomer
Mm-hmm.
and he's already abusing me as his mom, saying
Mhm.
that, oh my God.
Mm.
You know? So they need someone that they can
Privacy, trust. Yes.
So many of them don't like their paws touched, right?
Yes. अब
So
like
many.
Dodo don't like at all.
Yeah.
और उसको फिर जब बोला जाता है ना कि हम मजल करके उसको हमारे मजल की जरूरत नहीं है,
Mm,
मैं उसको पकड़ूंगी, आई विल हील हिम,
yeah.
यू कैन डू इट. उसको जैसे एक टच चाहिए उसकी सर पे ना, ऐसे सर हाउ, एंड ही इज काम, ही नो मॉम इज देयर, इधर मेरे हस्बैंड हो या मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ, कोई भी उसके साथ होना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आज की डेट तक आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कि हमारा स्केड्यूल इतना बिजी है कि हम डोडो को ग्रूमिंग के लिए लेके गए हैं और हम छोड़ के चले गए. नेवर.
No, never.
How frequently you guys need the dogs to be?
For Dodo, I don't give him frequent, like I don't take him for frequent grooming because बहुत ज़्यादा नहलाना भी उनके लिए अच्छा नहीं है. एंड डोडो का बाल हम नहीं कटवाते, चाहे समर हो विंटर हो जो भी हो. डोडो का ग्रूमिंग ट्रिमिंग होगा.
Keeping them natural.
Yes,
right?
because वो उसकी
Because
skin
even I
को
believe-
बहुत ज़्यादा
Exactly.
प्रोटेक्ट करता
Yeah.
है समर और सब कुछ से. और मेरे पास कुछ शैम्पूज और कुछ है जो मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ, अगर मैं उसको लाइक ड्राई बाथ और काइंड ऑफ वो मैं घर पे DIY ग्रूमिंग करके
Mm.
मैं सीख रही हूँ और ज्यादा बाथरूम में. और वी हैव दैट गुड आज के डेट में तो इतना अच्छे अच्छे ड्रायर्स और
Oh,
घर
yeah,
पे ही
yeah.
होते हैं. सो वो सारी चीज ना मैं धीरे धीरे प्रोसेस कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज व्हाट यू सेड कि नहाना एक बहुत प्राइवेट थिंग है.
Exactly.
और आज की डेट में यू विल सी कोई सा भी हर गली में 3-4 you will see groomers are there running around. I don't trust any of the, what are the products you are using, I don't trust. You're using that एक brush को आप उंगली में डाल के you are using for
Yeah.
n number of people and using my I as I say, I'm very fussy about all these things. मेरे को बहुत पर्टिकुलर, इफ आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट माई सेल्फ,
Of
मेरे
course.
बच्चे के लिए तो 2 कदम और आगे जाऊंगी मैं.
Definitely.
So this is also, and being a, अब मैं एक चीज बहुत रिलेट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि हमने कोलैब और ये सब बोला. being अबाउट यू, आप एक इंस्टाग्राम बोलो या सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, as she's a dog nutritions and all, you do healing and Reiki also, what I have heard.
Not Reiki, but yes, chakra healing,
and all
healing
this.
with crystals.
So you are social media influencer and all, ये आपका job kind of thing और passion है. What you guys think as a mom, ये Instagram pets और natural real life pets different होता है?
Definitely.
Instagram, I think you cannot differentiate that much. You have to literally look into some lives. Yeah, Instagram things are always you put up the nicest part sometime of life. That's it.
Mhm.
Right. Because you cannot put up the tough parts, and that's where the people get that wrong notion
Exactly.
that life is, because all us pet parents know okay, they also make issues, they also have issues. Like I get scratched by my cats. I have like this from Coco from the
Mhm.
beginning, and we do face so many issues with them. It's not like we give. That's the difference, I think, that we do not show, but we have to show those parts as well.
Mhm.
कि भाई ये problems भी
This is
होते
my
हैं.
question.
Absolutely.
Actually, आप अच्छा दिखा रहे हो तो बुरा भी दिखाओ, लोगों को पता तो
Because
चले.
like Goldens,
And
they're
that's where the
always
difference.
shown.
कि we are not giving up.
Exactly.
If I understand, I know
Mhm.
that like Coco, nobody can handle her.
Mhm.
She goes to human needs. उसको इंसान पसंद है जाएगी. She will smell you around. But if you dare touch her, I tell everybody, you don't touch her.
Scratch.
Because she will become a little bit cranky, and she only comes to me. Not even my husband is also a little bit like, okay, you handle her like that. And Kiko is so scared of human beings. He will just hide.
You don't like.
He will just hide. He's such small as well. You know, cats are how big a cat is. This
Mm.
month, he will just go inside the bed, and I feel so bad when there are guests throughout the day, and I had to like literally go put a bowl there only. You take, you eat, you sleep, you be
Mm.
comfortable like that. So we people need to understand कि ऐसा नहीं है, we don't face issues with our pets.
Of course not.
Like with Pluto, you are telling me so many
Yeah.
things. With
I mean,
Dodo, you are telling me that you need to feed him properly. You face issues. We all face the similar kind of issues. It's our kid. Simple as that.
it's very simple. Like even for Goldens, people approach. He looks cute. A dog looking cute doesn't mean he cannot become ferocious.
Yes.
Right? And they've seen Instagram shows with kids and babies and very sweet and loving. But I've never had babies in my house. So Pluto only understands my daughter's age.
Yes.
Right?
And this is very practical. उन्होंने कभी बच्चे के साथ रहा नहीं, उसको पता नहीं.
Exactly.
It's
So
natural.
he's a little, reactive. Because he is scared. He reacts not out of aggression.
Yes.
Because
Scared.
when we tell Pluto, okay, go, he will bark and go backwards, not forwards. So he doesn't want to attack. He's just telling someone, stay away. He hates being looked into his eyes. No matter who you are, you cannot look into his eyes. So, there are certain things, and people always say, oh, but he's a golden.
So what?
He's friendly. I said, even I'm supposed to be friendly, but I'm not.
Not.
I'm
Yes.
out.
We choose.
Yeah.
We choose.
I mean,
we choose to react,
Exactly.
right? If people, okay, for the kids nowadays, if you see, we are learning a thing that newborns, if you go and meet the people, you're not supposed to just hug them. You're not
exactly.
supposed to just kiss them directly.
Exactly, we don't
Which
touch.
used to be happening in India
Of course.
so much.
So much.
So it's not a thing. You're not supposed to do
You
that.
take permission.
And we learn
permission
that
to
now.
आपके हाथ में germs है, कुछ भी है, आप
Right.
suddenly touch नहीं कर सकते.
Exactly.
To my all us friends, like somehow we are having kids one by one. I go and meet their kids. I'm like that. From the
a
past,
distance,
I want to
maintain a
take that
distance.
baby.
Of course, it's
But
same
I
goes
know-
for our pets. too.
Yeah. So why can't we apply the same thing to the pets? Simple as that. You need
Exactly.
to, and that thing need to be taught to the kids more. That is where the line
Yeah.
needs to be
See,
drawn,
मुझे
right?
ये इस जगह में ना एक ही चीज का कंसर्न है कि आप इन्फ्लुएंसर जैसे आज के डेट में हो चुके हैं ना, आप कोई सा भी रबिश प्रोडक्ट दो, वो पैसे के लिए उसको भी मतलब प्रमोट कर देंगे. आप वो चीज ह्यूमन तक रखने दो प्लीज. आप पेट्स के अंदर वो चीज मत लाओ. इवन पेट पेरेंट्स को समझना पड़ेगा. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लाइक सीबीडी, आपको पता भी है सीबीडी का क्या फॉर्मेशन है, सीबीडी कैसे वर्क करता है, क्या है उसके अंदर. आप रिसर्च किए. आप सीबीडी को एक अच्छा इन्फ्लुएंसर बोलो डॉग के लिए, उन्होंने प्रमोट कर दिया तो एवरीवन इज प्रमोटिंग सीबीडी. व्हाट इज सीबीडी? अगर लोगों को पूछा जाए तो उनको पता भी नहीं होगा सीबीडी क्या है. दे डोंट, उनको पता नहीं. तो मुझे वही बोलना है कि आप कभी कभी अनकंफर्टेबल होते हैं पेट्स की, उनको यहाँ पे क्लिप लगा दिया, कपड़ा डाल दिया. आप उनको ऐसे चीजें करने बोल रहे हो जो ह्यूमंस कैमरा के सामने 15 सेकंड के लिए करते हैं अपनी मर्जी से. उनको कोई फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है. आप अपने पेट्स को अपनी मर्जी से नहीं उनको करवा रहे हो, आप उनको फोर्स कर रहे हो. आपको लेना है, आप लो, नॉर्मल खेल रहा है आप लो, और वो कंटेंट नहीं है तो आप ह्यूमन के जैसा कंटेंट निकालने की कोशिश मत करो. दैट्स अ फोर्स. एंड ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ये आज के डेट में बहुत ट्रेंडिंग हो चुका है, सोशल मीडिया,
Too much. I mean,
इंस्टाग्राम.
that is now humanizing. Not talking to your, but this is humanizing. Like Pluto hates clothing.
यस,
And I always tell
जोर जबरदस्ती, या
सबको, I said, "कुत्ता है भाई."
प्रेशराइजिंग.
His paws are rough. But I don't want to wear socks. I don't want bum. I want to be animal-like.
Yes.
And
I said, so
It's
weird.
my space.
Yeah.
Give me my space.
like
Yes.
I put those pretty collars on my cats for 5 minutes, and I'm like, yaar, she's not comfortable. I go and
Kholo.
open it myself. I have multiple things lying around in the
हाँ.
house. I haven't made them wear them for more than 5 minutes
बोल तो रही हूँ,
because I feel like it's a kid only, right?
ह्यूमन ब्रेन. मैं तो एक ही चीज बोलूंगी, प्लीज पेट पेरेंट्स, ह्यूमन ब्रेन मत लाओ, बच्चों को तंग मत करो. आपको इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है, आप खुद बन जाओ. आपको प्रोडक्ट
But
लॉन्च करना है,
Kasturi,
खुद करो.
there is a issue with the product companies as well.
They are marketing strategy.
I have a small influencer marketing agency as well,
Mhm.
where I do get products where the brand is not understanding. The brand is sometimes very reluctant.
See,
They are only seeing a person's Instagram or even just the numbers, not
Just-
even their content,
No,
the
yes.
quality, the
just the
proper.
numbers.
To
And he
explain to
run-
them, you know what,
Mm.
this is more relevant.
Mhm,
Even if
mhm.
she has less,
Mhm,
she might be more relevant for your work. She might be more relevant for your thing.
mhm,
No, they just wanna go chase the numbers,
mhm.
even if they are like, not the real ones. So that is a very different thing. So I feel both parties are responsible, because I am on the both side. Like, I'm talking as a marketing agency where I get the client request, and then I am also towards the content creator where I see a lot of collabs and everything coming my way. But then the brands become very reluctant. They
Very
are
much.
not fairly choosing, because there is half responsibility which lies with them as well.
Of
Of course, and they are ready to pay n number of money, but don't pay money until you produce something brand which is not affecting them.
True.
हम कॉस्मेटिक्स में भी देखते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों में देखते हैं, दैट्स आर नॉट गुड, बट इट्स ओके. वो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की खुद की मर्जी है,
Yeah.
वो उनको पता है वो कर रहा है, वो इन्फ्लुएंस गलत कर रहा है, दैट्स ओके. बट पेट्स नहीं बोल सकते कि मुझे नहीं मन है, अब मुझे नहीं करना है. सो डो नॉट फोर्स देम.
Yeah.
मेरे को एक ही पॉइंट है
But
बस.
in fact, even this thing that a lot of trainers or whoever, they make DIY enrichments and all, give your
Yes.
dog to shred.
Mhm.
Some people will give the dog to shred. I can't even give that to Pluto in my wildest dreams, because
Mhm.
we don't shred, we shred and eat.
Yes.
So shredding may not be for everyone. It's like in the animal world,
Mhm.
there is no one size fits all, and that's what people need to understand, that no two dogs, cats, elephants, the entire animal world is very, very different.
Yes.
And if you cannot accept that difference, then please do not accept your pets to accept the way you are.
Yes.
Because if you cannot accept them,
Absolutely yes.
I'm sorry, they have to adjust more to you.
Yes.
And
वो उनको हम, we are bringing them into our life.
yeah, and who has more brains?
Yes.
Who has more brains? We,
It's
right?
now tricky now.
But then we want our dogs and cats to be smart. Their smartness is at a level
Mhm.
where it is at the pinnacle.
Absolutely.
But then when we talk about owning,
Mhm.
right? We humans always own things.
Own things, yeah.
Isn't it? We own
That
things.
forceful.
Because even nowadays, dogs are a status. What breed?
What breed?
You know, it's,
Everywhere,
it's a
everywhere.
status. You really don't know about anything about the breed.
Oh my god.
You've just kept it as a status, right?
Yes.
And then those dogs get thrown out
Competition.
because you don't know, you didn't realize that a golden can be a nightmare between the age of 6 and 18.
Exactly. He can eat everything at your house. that teething, that phases, that everything.
Yeah,
If you
like
are ready, go
it's a
for it.
responsibility that you need to think a lot before going for it. Be it any pet. I
In-
would say
yes,
be it any
Any
pet you
cats,
bring.
even cats also,
Be it.
they need that bed. If a person don't know, cats love to that spiral bed, that height one. Cats
Tree,
love them.
cat tree.
Yes.
Yeah.
If a person do not know that cats love them or they don't have a something kind of, they will be sucking around everywhere. Like वो table पे भी चढ़ जाएंगे.
No, but that's
Cut
what the
and
thing
pay.
is. Even if you don't have a tree, they will climb to the cupboards and everything. They will make themselves comfortable. You need to learn that that's okay. We in our household, we do not have a black t-shirt, especially those cotton or the ones we.
Yeah.
Right, we do not
Yeah.
have, and like my husband now goes out and is like, we can't wear black in this house. I'm like, go be proud about it. It's your baby's fur.
And my entire car is like, when you switch on the AC, the golden glitter just comes on, and I'm like, all right, golden glitter everywhere we take and go.
So दोनों में से मुझे बताओ, as a dog and cat, दो जगह cat friendly travel destination.
Travel destination. I think Turkey
Okay.
is all about cats and all. Cat friendly. UAE is one of the biggest ones. Maybe Saudi is there, but traveling itself is an issue. See,
लेकिन
some people can pay, but there are some people who can't pay as well that much. And even for the cats being so small, so tiny, you cannot take them. And I am a little bit scared of the idea of taking them in the crate and putting them with the luggage and all those things. Till the time, like, if I have to transport them if I'm moving, until unless that, I don't want to, because they are very scared of everything
and
happening.
for dog.
To be very honest, I've never traveled with Pluto.
Okay.
Because what also happens is, like even in India, you cannot take your pet from Dubai to India for a visit unless there's a transfer of residence.
Yes, and it's a huge
So
process.
the problem in traveling with pets is that what is your destination country laws are.
Depending.
So half of the time you cannot really travel.
Yeah.
But if you talk about pet-friendly staycations, there are so many. There are so many in Hatta. I mean, we had taken Pluto to Hatta and we had a good time. We just didn't allow
Hatta
anyone to
in
get near
Iraq?
him. Hatta, which is the Wadi Adventure Hub.
Yeah.
So that was very nice. And
There's
then you
small
have,
huts and all, right?
Yeah. and then you have so many hotels now that are pet-friendly. In Al Quwain, you have the beach resort.
Okay.
So loads of places now opening
But
up.
they have some things, no? The small breed.
Yeah, some
large breed.
hotels have that. And I don't know why they say pet-friendly. And then it is
And when
below
you
10
landed up
kgs.
there,
Yeah, pet friendly, and there are only dogs. There are no cats there sometimes. So yeah, you need to check places to places.
depends.
It depends, yeah. I would say the small breeds are luckier than our
I'm
big
sure.
boys and girls.
Because
Yeah.
we just cannot put it like this and go.
True.
Oh, yeah.
true.
No, we
Yeah.
can't do that.
You can't
And
just
the
put them in
smaller
a
breeds
bag.
don't want to go like
Yeah.
that.
Because ours don't fit in shopping bags,
So tell me, pet-related books or podcast? Favorite what?
Books.
I am off both of them. Mostly I do not. I'm more of a social media, so it will always be like the reels for me.
So now you're going to see the podcast also.
Definitely. But for me, if you say, because I read a lot of books
Yeah.
which are research based, and also for me, reading is very
Reading
important.
is a research, of course.
But yeah, all day I'm on Instagram. When I'm not on books, I'm on Instagram.
Treat or toys for rewards?
Treats.
Treats, but toys as well. It's like
That this
I
one,
feel
no?
it works equally because you give them a reward once you are playing with them a little bit.
Okay. And your favorite pet movie?
Oh, my favorite pet movie is A Dog's Journey.
Oh, tell me how many times I have watched.
I don't watch it anymore because it'll just ruin days for Pluto, because I will be hugging him and kissing him like for the next week when I watch that movie. So I just can't. But that is one movie that I actually saw my husband cry. And It was
Attachments, oh my
it
God.
was heartwarming to see. I mean, I'm very emotional, but I kind of hide it. So I don't really cry, and it was too much for me. But a dog's journey is, sometimes you realize that the soul contract that people talk about, it's true.
True.
When your dog's karma with you hasn't finished,
Yes.
he will keep coming till he finishes that contract with you.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we humans don't think that way.
It's just a kutta paal liya.
See, it is very simple. You keep a pet leashed because you have a pet. Your pet roams free when you raise a pet. That's the biggest difference.
Confidence. Yes.
And knowing them. If you say, oh, my dog is 2 years old,
Mm-hmm.
you're having a pet. Half the people don't even know what you're feeding.
Yes.
They don't know how to read ingredients, and they don't want to learn how to read ingredients. You don't know what's going in your dog's bowl
Mm-hmm.
because it's just food that you're giving. But when you raise a pet, you nourish them. You don't give them food. You
Exactly.
nourish them.
अब बच्चे को जन्म लेते ही पानी नहीं पिला देते हो 6 महीने 3 महीने डॉक्टर से पूछते हो पीडिया से कंसर्न करते हो व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क फॉर द पेट्स टू इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम रेजिंग
Of course.
एंड पालना हम बच्चे बड़े
Yeah.
करते हैं और कुत्ते पालते हैं ये कॉन्सेप्ट जिस दिन चेंज हो जाएगा ना वर्ल्ड विल बी डिफरेंट
Of course.
मच बेटर प्लेस फॉर पेट्स वो हैंडओवर नहीं होगा
Of
वो
course.
अबंडेंट नहीं होगा
Yeah.
उसको कहीं पे भी छोड़ के नहीं रखा जाएगा और एनी मूवी पेट मूवी योर
That
फेवरेट
movie, I think cat ones are not much, but yeah, the dog ones only, right? 101 Dalmatians and all.
Oh, but I am telling you, cat movies are there.
Very less. But the
Go-
cats are always as a supporting, like the
Yes.
cat ladies they show.
Okay,
And Snowbell was there in
Homeward
the...
Bound एक cat movie है, बहुत अच्छा movie, काफी पुराना है. See that movie. Your cats will love it. And और एक है, I remember that movie's name. It's The Cat Return. Bob. एक स्ट्रीट कैट होता है जो एक ड्रग एडिक्ट बंदे को हेल्प टू हील द कैट रिटर्न बॉब वॉच दिस टू वेरी गुड मूवीज आर देयर मेरी अगर मुझे पूछोगे तो मार्ले एंड मी एंड हाची यू नो
Yeah, Hachiko.
Oh,
Yeah,
Hachiko,
yeah.
this version.
I still have to watch Hachiko. I know about the entire story.
पर्पस ऑफ डॉग अगर डोडो का पूछे तो डोडो का ब्लूई एक जो
Okay.
उसके लिए अच्छा होता है फॉर डॉग आइज फॉर कैट मतलब पेट्स आइज के लिए
Right.
ब्लूई वो और पेट्स लाइक पेट्स इन द सिटी और समथिंग काइंड ऑफ
Pets in the City, my younger one was watching like this. Kiko was watching it like that.
या बिकॉज उसमें
I
बनी
was like,
आता रैबिट
okay,
आता सो
yeah,
मच
yeah.
सो डोडो लव दैट उसका पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 हम देखते रहते हैं अमेजिंग टॉकिंग विद यू पीपल
It was lovely being here.
it's like we don't recount like हमने ना अपना एक सारा जर्नी जी लिया
Right. And what you said, you were busting a myth about cat and dog parents being, it's nothing. There are, not even pets. There are people, there are kids. So we all love them equally and we all love each other
yes
equally.
and
for the
सबसे
same thing.
मेन बात है do you entertain your dog while doing pujas and all
Oh, definitely. Everything. He gets a tika. He gets the prasad. Although there's a little, sometimes, the sweet.
yes
I will just give
little bit
very tiny just for that. Like we believe in Baba, so unki vibhuti. Well, he's wearing a Sai Baba pendant on his
neck
collar.
हाँ collar yeah
just to
and
keep him safe. So,
क्या होता है जैसे डोडो को पंचामृत बहुत पसंद है
oh, tell me about it. The first time he lapped it up, I got so scared. I started Googling, can a dog have...
Oh, the Google is our
The
friend.
problem is nobody knows Punjabi. So I started Googling
The
honey
ingredients.
yes. Oh my God. Because he just
and he
lapped up
love
the
it he
entire
just
thing.
wait जब मेरे घर में पूजा वगैरह या दिवाली वगैरह कुछ भी होता है ना he wait वो एक चक्कर काट के आएगा लड्डू है
हो
आज
गया क्या
फिर गया पंचामृत है आज एंड ही विल लाइक उसकी भक्ति उस टाइम मतलब वो हिलेगा नहीं भगवान की तरफ देखता रहेगा हो गया आपका खाना
Yeah.
मैं खाऊं
In fact, when you raise this, Pluto, when he
Mhm.
was a baby and would not sleep, I would put Hanuman Chalisa and he would sleep on Hanuman Chalisa.
आई स्टिल डू. हम बाहर कहीं जा रहे हैं ना, हम हनुमान चालीसा चला के बाहर जाते हैं कि प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. मेरे अंदर ये है, जब डोडो इंडिया से दुबई ट्रैवल भी किया था ना, आई सेड आई बिलीव इन देयर इज अ बाबा लाइक लोकनाथ
Right.
बाबा इन अस. आई सेड बी विद हिम. आप उनके साथ क्रेट में बैठ जाओ. एक बच्चा इतना बड़ा, एक बच्चा इतना से क्रेट में आ रहा है, उसके साथ आप बैठ जाना. बिकॉज इतने सारे स्टोरीज सुने थे, सांस रुक जाना, भाग जाना, ये बच्चा मेरे साथ नहीं रहेगा. इट इज नाइटमेयर फॉर मी.
Nightmare.
एंड इसको लेके मैं एक पॉडकास्ट जरूर बनाऊंगी, बिकॉज पीपल शुड नो एंड गेट रेडी बिफोर ये झटका आने से पहले कि क्या क्या होता है. सो इट्स अमेजिंग बीइंग यू गाइस.
It's lovely being here.
हाउ डू यू लाइक इट?
Thoroughly enjoyed. I mean, you know,
Yeah.
finally you get to speak your mind and your opinions.
Yeah,
People
put
will not say
cat
us
people,
mad.
dot people in the room, and you
Yeah.
see the energy flowing.
And
It
now,
was
now
lovely.
we'll probably have some people saying, you know, you said that. Then
Point
do
is
some-
कि cat, dog, all can
Nothing.
go along. Yeah, can go along. हम सब एक साथ रह सकते हैं. हम
Yeah.
ये मिथ है.
Totally. That's
डॉग प्रसाद खा सकता है. डॉग कैन एंजॉय पूजा. रमदान में कैट्स घर पे रहते हैं, उनका खाना उनको मिलता है, भले ही इंसान ना खाए. सो इट्स ऑल आर मिथ्स, मिसकंसेप्शंस. ये सब नहीं होता 2024 में. और let others leave, let their pets leave, and don't judge pet parents, pet owners कि उन्होंने अडॉप्ट किया, उन्होंने रेस्क्यू किया, उन्होंने खरीदा. why, behind the scene क्या है? look for that. Thank you so much Sidra, thank you so much Shameen for joining LOL Let's Off Leash. आप लोग कुछ बताना चाहोगे Let's Off Leash के लिए तो प्लीज आप सजेस्ट करो, बताओ.
Well, you should do more of other parents as well, like your feathered parents, scaly parents, because even in fact a lot of people have reptiles and it's a total different parenting ball game. That would be so interesting to see and others to learn. Like my daughter wants to keep snakes.
Okay, I will keep it in mind
territory.
and I will do it.
Yeah, I would say just keep doing what you're doing. It's amazing. Letting us also come and put all these emotions out there is amazing. And this puts out a beautiful message into the world. So you're doing an amazing job. Keep doing that.
Thank you so much.
And it's bold, I think. It's bold.
Thank you so much. अगर आप लोग इतना दूर तक पहुंच चुके हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना, शेयर करना मत भूलना. और आपको कहीं पे भी लगे, इफ यू फील वन पॉइंट भी थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेटिव है, you can relate or someone can be helpful regarding all these informations, please share करना. एक भी शेयर और एक भी सब्सक्राइब हमारी टीम को बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करती है कि हम और अच्छे अच्छे गेस्ट लाए और ज़्यादा इन डेप्थ जाए और बात करें. बात करना ज़रूरी है. हम बात करेंगे तो हम जान पाएंगे हर इंसान के लाइफ में, जो पेट्स ओनर है उनकी लाइफ में चल क्या रहा है, हाउ पेट्स आर डेल्ट विद. मिसकंसेप्शंस मत पालना और अपने आसपास या अपने साथ जो भी कडल्स, फरी हो, स्केली हो, फेदर्ड हो, जो भी फ्रेंड्स आपके साथ बैठा है उसको थोड़ा ज्यादा कडल करना. इट्स अ रैप फ्रॉम कस्तूरी झा. सी यू अगेन. बाय.